everybody. Purchased this Dometic Caravan fridge a couple of months ago from RV Caravans. Great item. Used it to go away for a long weekend. Hooked it up to the gas, runs off a battery and electricity, of course. It's a three-way fridge. Dometic. Had one previously, lasts for 30 years. So it's our new one. As you can see, stylish piece of equipment. Can't fault the product. Fits straight into the hole of the last one, and we are very pleased with it. So I could only recommend this product to anyone looking for a great three-way caravan fridge from RV Caravans. Thanks for watching.